Only aerial work platform with 360-degree access around vertical and multi-dimensional structures. Capable of attaching to a telehandler or an aerial lift, the worker enters through the front of the work platform, safely closes railings, and secures lanyard to work platform. The standard work platform configuration is similar to existing industry work platforms. However, front railings are movable and open to gain easy and safer access to any task without interference with the top and middle railings. This feature allows for easier access to tasks at multiple levels without repositioning the equipment. The Lombardi Lift features an electric platform control that offers multi-directional movable platforms. The worker extends the electric platforms to the extended work platform configuration. Once extended, the worker can lower the silver platform to gain additional workspace. Right and left electric platforms are extended to create the U-shaped configuration to go around vertical structures. Lower the silver platform to gain 360-degree access around the structure. Electric platforms move laterally toward the structure, ensuring the worker's safety. Worker closes movable railings and secures with pin hinges. Lombardi Lift, the L-shaped configuration at right corner building. Electric platform control moves the platforms closer to the building structure for accessibility while providing a safe work environment. Worker has direct access to both corners without the need to reposition the equipment. The Lombardi Lift is a new aerial work platform that will disrupt the existing industry aerial work platforms. It offers significant benefits to the worker and features that are not found in any other industry aerial work platform. Come to a demonstration and order now.